Hi guys, welcome. It's your girl Krystal Nykole, also known as the Brow Bully on Instagram. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Today's video is going to be really quick. It's not too of an intricate look. It's very natural, very neutral, and you can wear it every single day. So this is the look that I came up with using very affordable products. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you keep on watching. Mwah. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. So goofy. I'm going to go in with my LA Pro corrector in orange. And I'm going in with my Fenty Pro Filter Primer. While that's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my NYX Wavy Glow. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. It just gives your face like this subtle glow, summertime, you know, all that good stuff. It's like when I sit in front of the camera, like I forget my whole routine. I don't know if it's like nervousness or what, but it's been a while, so you know, that's all me. That's all my fault. So now I'm going with my beauty blender, and we're going to go in with the ColourPop. What is this? Hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer, because it's hot outside and we don't want like a full, you know, full coverage foundation. Is too hot for all of that. But let me go wet my sponge real quick. And alright, so I am back. I have my sponges all good and juicy. So I'm going to go in with my tinted moisturizer. I'm going to take that on the sponge, and we're about to get to work. And this tinted moisturizer is just that. It's a tinted moisturizer. It's not meant to be like full coverage or anything like that. So if you're looking for something full coverage in the summertime, I wouldn't necessarily go with this, but it is buildable. So you can get medium coverage out of it, but you won't get full coverage out of it. And you can go back and add your powders and everything like that to it, but you definitely will not get full coverage out of this. Medium, yeah, but not full coverage. I'm going in with my favorite, my OG, and that is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to take this and put it right in the areas where I want to highlight. Like that. And then too, I feel like when I use my concealer under my eyes and then do my face, I get more coverage on my lid instead of doing my lid first, and I can't really like blend everything together like I want to, if that makes sense. But so let's just see. And this tinted moisturizer by ColourPop is so good. But this one here, it does give you coverage. Like, it really gives you coverage. So I really like that. And like I said, it's buildable, it's lightweight, it's breathable. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which moisturizes your skin at the same time. Even if you're oily, you still need moisture. So this is like perfect, especially for the summertime. So if you see this, grab you some. I'm almost out and I love it. I'm in the shade Deep Dark 21W, but of course I'll leave everything down in the description box for you. I'm going to let this sit for just a few minutes, because the longer you let your concealer sit, the more coverage you will get in that area. And the key to blending out everything, of course, is using a damp beauty blender. I use a damp beauty blender. A lot of people may use brush, or they may even use their fingers. Totally up to you, but my preference is a beauty blender. I feel like it gives more of a flawless look. So with that being said, I'm going to go in with my very dirty beauty blender, and I'm just going to start blending this concealer out. And now I'm just going to take the concealer onto my lid. Now I'm going to take the tail end of my beauty blender that I use for my foundation to sort of blend out the edges of this concealer so it won't be so harsh. You see how like it's blending everything out? You see? Ta-da! And I'm just going to do the outer edge of my concealer, and I'm going to take care of this whole thing right here because, baby, there's just too much going on. That fat chin girl vibe. Yeah. Now, before I crease, I'm going to go ahead and set everything, and I'm going to switch it up and use my Beauty Bakery Flour Powder in the shade Yellow. I haven't used this in forever, so we're going to try it today. And I don't bake. I just press the powder into my skin like so. And this is a really good powder too. This Beauty Bakery powder is really, really good. And it's so fine. Like, it's so fine. And I love it. It's not thick or anything. Like, you see how it melts into the skin? Girl, I forgot all about you. You see how that just, look at that, girl. Shut up. Just stop. Oh my God, I forgot this whole time I didn't have my microphone on. So I went ahead and set everything with my powder. I was looking through my stash and I found this palette right here, and it is the NYX Grind Palette, and the colors are super, super pretty. Like, look at those colors. Okay, let's go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to take a generous amount of this, and I'm going to place it on the outer V of my eye. So I'm just going to pack this right here on the outer V. Look at that. Oh, pigment. Just like that. When in doubt, take the darkest shade and put it on the outer side. Well, the outer V, and then you'll figure out everything else, I promise. All right, and now I'm just going to take what's left on the brush and bring it inward and up towards my brow area, and we're just going to blend and blend for your life. Where did I get that from? That's from, is it Drag Race? With RuPaul, when he say like sachet, but whatever. And the key to everything, y'all, is blending. Like, you have to blend. I don't care how simple your look is, you have to blend. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more, but as you can see, I'm holding the very tip of my brush because I have more control, should I say, over the product, kind of, because holding the brush on the very end gives it more of an airbrush look that you're going for, and that's exactly what you want when you're blending out your transition shade. You want to have an airbrush look so all the shades can blend in together, like so. I don't know how I feel about this. Never mind all the stuff that you've been worrying about. Okay, we're gonna leave that just as it is. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and alright, y'all, so I finally got my lashes on. Jesus. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the bottom of my sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with my Rimmel London Stay Matte. Now I'm going to go in and warm my face up in bronze with my Morphe bronzer. And we're going to take my Morphe brush and I'm going to bronze. And make sure y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos and things like that. And I wanted to ask y'all, do y'all know the difference between bronzing and contouring? And so let me know down in the comments if y'all know what the difference between bronzer and contour is. Like, I just want to know. Alright, so I'm going to take my beauty blender again, and I'm just going to buff out those harsh edges where the bronzer and that the highlight meets that I did earlier, and just blend everything together. Oh, now let's go in with this e.l.f. blush. This e.l.f. blush is by far one of my favorites. Even on days when I don't contour this, or if I don't bronze, this e.l.f. bronze highlight, what is it? Blush. This blush, it can act as a bronzer for your face because the color is so perfect for brown skin girls like myself. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Believe Beauty Setting Mist. I love this mist. Like, the spray on this is absolutely amazing. I love it. And I did a haul video a few videos back where I talked about this, and I've re-upped a couple times since then because it's just that good. And it works. That's the thing. It works. It really works. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this, and we'll continue. The mist on this is so fine. Like, I love it. Super affordable. And so I'm just going to take my sponge. As you know, I'm going to press that into my skin. Just like that. Make sure, not too much. Don't press too much, y'all. Don't press too much. Don't want to mess nothing up. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my lip. And because I'm ratchet like that, yeah. Ain't got time. I'm keeping it all the way real with y'all. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil in the shade Espresso, and also my NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Pecan Brittle. I haven't used this yet, I don't think, but I wanted something that was a little bright for the lips, so let's see. Alright, y'all, I'm not sure where my camera cut off at. I'm so sorry. I was just going, and I looked and I saw that my camera had stopped recording. So, I don't know what y'all missed. I hope I didn't miss too much, so I'm sorry, you guys. But anyways, this is the final look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your girl a comment down below. All the products that I use to achieve this look will be down in the description box, and I cannot wait to see you guys in a future video. Until next time, mwah. And make sure you follow me on all my socials. That information is down in the description box as well. Before I forget, I do have 2 free ebooks for beginners that are interested in makeup and learning different things about their skin and different types of makeup, especially catered to oily skin. So I'll leave those links down in the description box as well. But I will see y'all guys next time. Like, it's 10 o'clock and I gotta go to bed. So bye. Bye bye.